In the wild jungle of the Rift, there exist rare and terrifying creatures known as the Doombots. These bizarre species include Tristanabot, Lee Sin Bot, Luxbot, the mysterious Bot, and, of course, Jeff. These powerful, yet often confused machines roam the Rift only on special occasions. Last sighted in 2016, they have since become the stuff of legend. Feared for their unnatural strength and cheat-like stats, they leave many summoners frustrated and broken. Their evolved abilities defy reason, turning even the boldest challengers into helpless prey. And yet, despite their overwhelming power, Doombots are simple-minded creatures. Their sole purpose is to march their minions to the Nexus, destroying anything in their path. To them, everything that moves is prey. At the very top of the food chain stands the infamous Lee Sin Bot, capable of executing plays far beyond even the greatest professionals at Worlds. He is a predator to be feared above all others. In this strange ecosystem, predators quickly become prey before the might of these twisted machines. And yet, there is hope. With 5 coordinated hunters, it is possible to bring these creatures down and prevent their takeover of the Rift.